Hello everybody. You watched my previous video. I took delivery of this Godzilla engine. I was gonna tear it down this weekend, check it out, but I didn't have anything to do this evening, and so I snatched the heads off of it. And what I found wrong is that lifter. That's the intake lifter. It's bad. When I took the head bolts loose, they was tight on that side, but this side the head bolts was loose, and somebody had pulled the head off. I guess the under warranty, the tech over there at a Ford dealership pulled the head. He marked it. So that's what's wrong with this engine here. The rest of the lifters are like brand new, but we're not going to be running them. Another thing I noticed, scarred that cylinder up. I don't know if that'll be able to hone out or not. And probably what happened, it run hot. The intake wasn't opening up, and wasn't getting the correct fuel mixture or something. I don't know, but anyway, that cylinder is scarred. This cylinder, I might get by with that. Might have to sleeve that. I don't know. Man, I don't want to put this thing in machine shop jail. The goddamn machine shops is they're so far behind and stuff. But anyway, this is a project for after I get my my big block together. It's just not one of those rush things, but all the rest of the cylinders look good. I've run my big block Chevys. I run that 555. No, I didn't. I never run it that bad. I had some scarred cylinders, but they wasn't like that. This thing's gonna need a sleeve. Or board. If it was like that right there, it'd be all right. But I can. Anyway, it's no biggie. Pretty good sized bore. The heads look good. Head gasket wasn't blown. May have to run them on a mill or something. Maybe, I don't know. I'll check it. That head looks good too. If it hadn't hurt that cylinder, that cylinder there, I believe this thing would have been all right. It's probably one of those deals where the owner just kept driving it to make sure he was gonna get a new engine or something. I don't know, but anyway, I don't have any experience with these. Kind of reminds me of a LS. Except it's bigger. I'll probably take it apart this weekend and hone on that a little bit. I didn't pay $1,500 for that. So I don't know if that's a good deal or not. The cheapest I found them on eBay was like $4,500. My plan for this thing is to put a Brian Tooley racing cam in it. It's supposed to make 600 horse with stock heads and pistons and all, and their intake. And yeah, that's gonna need a sleeve. I might as well just sleeve this one too. The rest of them cylinders is good though. I'll know more about this weekend. I tear the bottom end apart. It's got some beefy head bolts. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.